I'm John.
I'm Whitney.
And we're here to talk to you today about sub-bases and base courses. No, we're not.
We're here to talk about resilient floors.
Concrete resilient flooring systems, or resilient flooring systems for concrete, which is regulated by, so F710 and 3010 and ASTM D 4258 and 4259. Cool. So, our video today is all about using colloidal silica to make these flooring systems last longer and be much stronger.
Right.
Years ago, somebody once told us that the longevity of that resilient flooring system finds its root at the concrete flooring.
Sure, I agree.
I mean, whoever convinced our industry or the industry that concrete floors can be used for resilient flooring systems, I mean, talk about fooling the industry.
Yeah, they can be, but people don't want to wait around long enough for it, and that's the problem. They don't want to wait long enough for the concrete to be at an appropriate relative humidity to place the glue in the tiles.
So ultimately what we're getting at is starting out with a good concrete that doesn't have those bleed channels, right, doesn't have that moisture of convenience or that water of convenience.
Not porous.
Not porous is really what we want to go after, and that's what colloidal silica is all about.
Right.
By using colloidal silica, we have a tendency of locking that moisture up.
Right, you're just getting a denser, more durable concrete, and it from the surface all the way down.
Right, and it's not like we have a membrane-forming curing compound on it that's going to create a delamination point, or we have to rip and strip off, and we still got to clean the concrete, but you're still creating that breathable concrete. It just happens to hold on to that moisture.
Right.
And the alkalis that often migrate with that moisture that cause the hydrolysis or the breakdown of those glues, and of course the delamination of your tiles. It doesn't really do that though.
It kind of, not all the way up, but it, pills up a bit.
Doesn't make that sound.
Enough to make it awkward to push a cart over or walk over or whatever.
And then it's not sightly for the building owner.
Right.
And they normally want it replaced while the structure is in service,
Sure,
which is an expensive occupation. And normally it's not done right.
Right. Well, and it's just, it's very invasive to, yank up the tile, grind down the glue. But it's just, it's a process. And so trying to, think about it, if it's in your doctor's office or your kid's pediatrician's office, how on earth are they going to keep that room, function? It's
funny enough, and that goes on a lot in a lot of hospitals.
Sure.
So oftentimes see resilient flooring in schools, restaurants, hospitals, Walmarts, Home Depots, food stores.
Right.
I just dropped something. So it's all yours, baby.
Oh no, I think the lid.
Oh, sorry.
I might take another sip though. Thank you.
You deserve it. So hopefully we answered your questions, concrete concerns.
Go ahead and like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications.
Go concrete!
Beat asphalt.